Taking a tour of the Kelly today out here in the Meadowlands. This thing went up quick, holy cow. Live here in our properties, baby. 12794 Edison. So this one will be our model home. It's not going to be for sale until the very end, but we're gonna have a nice showroom in the garage there. Yeah, this neighborhood's coming along really, really well. Roads all over at this point. Very exciting. There's my tour guide, Jamie. He just won his first hockey game. Hopefully I don't fall here. Okay. We are gonna stay on this level first. What do you think this room is over here, Jamie, when you walk in? In our house, what is this room? Right when you walk in the front door?
My room?
No, the office.
Oh yeah.
Nice office there.
Are they copying?
Nice closet. No, this one's a little bit different.
This is very much like it. They have the side door.
Yep. Nice view out the back. Nice big window here.
They're gonna have a humongous backyard.
Well, the backyard only goes to that pink stake there, but it is a nice size. They're actually building a screened porch right here. Beautiful scenery right now. Such a nice day. And the kitchen, this is the dining room here. They're gonna have a sliding glass, well actually no, this won't be a sliding glass door. This will be just out to the porch. And then we have the kitchen here. That's where the sink is gonna be, I believe. Or no, is that gas? That's gas, I believe. So kitchen will be here. And then check this out, Jamie. So we have a corner pantry here. But look, you can walk through the pantry to the mudroom. Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. So like, you know how our pantry just kind of is like boring and you can't get through it? This one you can walk all the way through it. Then you got a nice big closet here out of the mudroom or off the mudroom. And then yeah, nice big 3-car garage, which they're framing as a showroom for now.
That's a what?
A showroom. It's gonna be like an area where people can come in and learn more about the development. You wanna go upstairs? Yeah. Okay, you lead the way.
I don't wanna fall though.
You won't fall.
Are you sure it's stable?
Yep. I don't know, we're testing out the durability right now. Hopefully Nate builds a solid house, which I know he does. Wow.
Oh my gosh, Dad, another one.
Another big closet. So we got 4 bedrooms up.
What's the bedrooms?
Well, this is one of the bedrooms we're in right now. It's just like a kid's room.
Has a nice view.
Yeah, very nice view.
Oh, if there's a fire, they can just climb on the roof. And if there was a fire right now in that dirt pile still there, just dump in the dirt pile.
Totally. This is definitely a good fire escape area.
Yeah.
All right, let's keep going. So this is the laundry room. I like the nice big windows they're putting in.
This is the master.
You think this is the master? Yeah, I think this is too.
Or that one.
Well, this is actually part of the master. So you have the master bedroom here. Nice corner door, just like Mommy and Daddy used to have. And then this is the bathroom. This is the master bathroom. Which then you can come into this big old massive master closet. Yeah, that's it's probably for a
vent.
Well, it's a vent, or maybe actually I think this is where the tub's gonna go. So where you are,
Oh yeah, because there's a little knob.
there's the piping. Yep. So that's where the tub is gonna go, and then this is the shower back here. You can see the drain right there.
Oh, there's the shower.
Yep, and the shower head. Then we can just walk through the wall here. This is gonna be the toilet room. We're just gonna walk right through the wall.
Good.
This is the 3rd bedroom, again with an awesome view.
Another good fire escaping place.
So many fire escaping places. I love it.
Where you can just jump straight down and die.
Well, let's not do that. All the bedrooms look like they have walk-in closets.
Red nail.
Oh yeah, we gotta be careful of that. We'll get that cleaned up. And then we have another bedroom here. And then this will be the kids' bathroom.
What's this?
So this is the kids' bathroom.
What's that?
That has something to do with the shower, I believe. Yeah, that's the shower.
Is it connected to go
So this is the kids. There'll be like a kid's tub here. There'll be a toilet and then the kids' sink. And then we gotta check out the basement real quick. You wanna lead the way? Sure you don't want my jacket? I offered it to you a while ago. We got a pretty cool house so far, huh, bud? Can you believe that this whole thing is gonna be finished by March? So in only like 3-4 months, this whole thing will be finished. Wow, this is pretty big down here. Yep. So they already got the bathroom started down here. So this is going to be fully finished. All this will be done. There'll be a 5th bedroom. I believe there'll be a wet bar here. That's the one thing I'm not sure yet.
I think that this is a guest room.
This is the storage area and like furnace room and stuff. This is where all the furnace will be.
And this is probably just like a...
This is a big living room, yep. And all of this, Jamie, is going to cost $739,000. Fully finished. What do you think about that? 5 bed, 4 bath, 3-car garage. I like it. Well, let's go up to the main level.
How many good fire escaping places are there?
Man, there's so many good fire escaping places. Good job, Nate and Eric.
See, the front door. The front door. Ah, there's a fire behind me.
So that's it, buddy. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Pretty awesome. Is it kind of cool that Daddy's going to be selling this neighborhood and all this land is going to have houses all over it? Is that kind of cool?
Wait, so there's going to be another house there.
Yeah, there's going to be houses everywhere.
And Nate's building them?
And Nate and Eric and Trish are building them. Yeah, isn't that cool?
Are you sure that they're building them?
Yep.
Do you think Nate at least hammered one nail?
Did Nate hammer one nail? No, Nate definitely did not hammer a nail. All right, well, thanks for the tour, bud. Those of you that are interested in checking out the Meadowlands, again, we have one here we can kind of walk you through to give you an example. But this one is not for sale. And it's the model home at $739,000, fully finished, 5 bed, 4 bath, 3-car garage. But we have many different floor plans, ramblers, 2 stories, modified 2 stories, even split levels, and all sorts of different price ranges with different lots as well. There's a pond back there. So there'll be some nice pond lots over there. All those trees, that's a protected wetland. So we have some nice privacy lots as well. But we're out here. Meadowlands is coming together, so reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, enjoy your weekend.